No meth, man. No meth for anyone. Not even me. Not even him.
You mean GoPro?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So this is Truck Shop.
It said 600.
You should have enough money to get the first truck.
Oh God. What the fuck? 1,000.
How you do?
I'm looking.
How you do? I help you.
Jeez, 200,000.
You no make, I make.
You're a godsend, sir. Thank you so much.
For
What?
me, money only used to make people happy.
I'm extremely happy. In fact, I'm almost aroused.
Ooh, let me.
Thank you so much.
You enjoy day, sir.
You too, man. Thank you.
I don't have enough.
User left your channel.
Fucking $28 short.
I
Bullshit.
get you. I get you.
User joined your channel.
Oh, wrong.
Monkey Brain has human voice?
Know what you're talking about.
I heard Monkey singing.
Brain sometimes do things. Maybe there are other persons live in
Sweet.
Monkey Head.
Fuck.
Thank you so much again, man.
No problem.
I'll just get the first
Just
one.
wait, he have to pull out first.
That's what she said.
Oh, oh, oh.
User joined your channel.
Oh, we in the way. Oh no, we okay.
Oh God. Oh, oh, oh. The fuck?
Yes, you and that proud owner. Did you insure?
Pretty sure I did.
We will go see.
Is it the little tick mark right next to it?
Yeah, come with me.
Fucking monkey.
Put in here, and it will tell you if insured. You can also buy insurance from here if your car blows up.
Yep, insured.
Okay, hold on. Watch this.
User joined your channel.
You use this
Oh, fuck. Nice purple.
only until tsunami comes, but you use this, okay? Do not worry about your truck. You can use this, I give you key.
Damn, that's a nice purple. Fuck.
You have key.
I have penis power. Ha 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 ha.
User joined your channel.
Of course, Monkey can't drive. He needs more car insurance.
Monkey no got license. Hello.
Yeah, I was gonna.
User joined your channel. User left your channel.
Yep. Monkey go off road.
User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
Okay. You can choose over.
No, I give you license.
User joined your channel.
I can't tell if I'm recording or not. Excavator. Hopefully those. Ooh.
This snow. You come here when you are finished, but you can check for quests now.
Ah. Shit.
Come talk to Snow.
I had to be out of my brain for a little bit.
No worries. Go to trader option. He will give quests. I have extra pickaxe that you can use for quests. Put in backpack. You must put yours in backpack. Oh.
Oh boy. Ooh.
Did you finish quest?
Yep.
You must go into quest again to finish. Then it give new quest. You must shift a muscle.
User disconnected from your
Did it
channel.
work? You must go in a couple times sometimes.
I think Mr. Fuckhead over here is fucking broken. Yeah, he broken as fuck.
Don't worry, it's not important for now. But you can still sell here. Later.
Pizza Hut.
Oh,
User joined your
Bobo
channel.
want pizza too.
I will turn back.
Yeah, he broken as fuck.
I don't know. I make fucking vision all the time.
User left your channel.
I'm just looking.
User joined your channel.
You can park alongside. We go down.
What's up, man?
I make you get more.
User joined your channel.
Oh, it's you again.
Yeah.
Oh, driving's no good.
User left your channel.
What's up?
I give you key, don't worry.
User joined your channel.
What's up, what's up?
User left your channel.
I'm here to dance. Dance like no tomorrow.
How do you do that?
Control 6 muscle. To enter the emote wheel.
User disconnected from your channel.
Ooh,
You can mine while
someone
emoting.
complete quest.
Yes, I hear success.
Yeah, learned fucking some kind of stupid shit apparently.
This is how you fucking do it.
Yes, dance party commence.
Bottega Veneta, I go to Bodega for breakfast. No, I do not claim a vendetta against me. No weapon shall prosper, Isaiah. I say what I mean.
Oh, I
That's
drank
an
too much for
imposter.
this.
User joined your
You
channel.
haven't drank enough.
You're right.
No one's ever prepared for us.
I think I'm a little too deaf. I think that needs to be turned the fuck up.
I can turn up.
User left your channel.
Oh, not Bungo. Careful.
He's going. He's in the ground.
Oh
He is
shit!
one with nature, truly.
I must teabag. I can't move.
User joined your channel. User joined your
Monkey
channel.
brain broken.
Again, you're disposable, I'm undeniable. Let's not pretend I am a legend already. Right now I am being mentioned in therapy sessions across the state of Connecticut.
He's become with Ooga Booga.
Whispering.
Oh, careful. The gate's very close.
Oh,
That's a crazy move.
User left your channel.
See, monkeys can't do this.
User left your channel.
That's how you know we Bigfoot. It's cunt by somebody. CVNT, I forget.
Okay, here's the next question. How do I stop dancing?
User left
Oh,
your channel.
control 6 muscle again, and then fucking full cancel. It's in the general top menu.
Cunt.
Cunt.
Thank you.
wet cunt. What?
User left your channel.
Backflips.
Let's see what else we got.
It's a wet cunt.
That's what they call me.
My God.
That was my high school name.
User joined your channel.
Yeah.
No, it's dumb cunt.
Dumb wet cunt.
No, that was the other guy, remember? You were just a white cunt, bro.
Oh, oh.
That was Jimmy Wallace. He was dumb
Ooh.
white cunt. Wha-pow.
User disconnected from your channel.
So what do you guys
Ow.
do for money now?
We don't.
Nothing? What
Really,
did
we
you do?
don't. we never.
We
really
did
don't.
this.
We
We
just
did
vibe.
steal.
We just vibe and steal. We used to steal.
I see.
Oh, this is going on my GoPro page.
Alright, I got another one.
About time mining level 5, for fuck's sake.
I'm trying to get to 10. I'm like 80, 90%. I can't remember. It's taking forever.
Let's do yoga on the bed. Put that dick in my head. Smack my ass. Make it red. Teary
User
eyes.
joined your
channel.
Sad.
Oh,
Let's do yoga
hardcore.
on the bed. Fuck me deep in the head. Mouth open. Pussy spread. Boy, just do what I said. Let's do yoga on the bed.
I think Monkey's getting blasted with some good liquor. Oh, fucking dying.
Can you hold a gun while you...
You can do whatever you dream of. Cheers, guys.
What'd you drink? Oh. Oh.
Smack my ass. Make it red. Boy, just do what I said. Let's do yoga on the bed.
Thought you were making a drink.
It went in me. I mean,
I
it's
just
close to
smoke
me.
wax now, man.
I can't afford it.
User joined your channel.
I do plumbing. Yeah, I work overtime if I can't. I have to hit the wax.
I just got this ounce of flour for 55 bucks.
I
It's
do
pretty
miss
dope.
how the high felt with flour. It was definitely. It's not that it was like a.
It is
higher-
different. Yeah, it's just different.
I think it's a better high though.
It is. Cheers.
User joined your channel.
Cheers.
Just kidding, it was tight.
Bro, I just slammed some of this Tito's and I'm gonna have to hit a dab now.
Let's do yoga on the
Oh, damn it. Oh, baby.
That was me the other night with Bungu.
Yeah, the edibles.
Well,
User
that
joined
and
your
before
channel.
that, whenever I drank and I was just really drunk, took the subathon.
Oh, yes. Oh no! Who's going on unconscious?
Let's do yoga on the bed. Put that dick in my head. Smack my ass, make it red. Fury eyes, but I ain't sad. Let's do yoga on the bed. Fuck me.
So yeah, like I burned myself with this torch so many times.
Spread or just do what I
I'm having
said.
a
Let's do
slight stroke.
yoga on the bed.
User left your channel.
Careful.
Fire burn.
Bungo, do the thing with me. Ready? Let me know when you're ready.
Oh, you mean that thing? Gotcha.
You know the one.
User left
I'm
your
ready
channel.
when you are.
I gotta witness this.
Oh, he meant that.
Oh,
I
oh,
it
oh,
was
oh my
between
god.
that
Get
and
an ambulance.
something
Someone
else.
call 911.
Oh,
He's having
no.
a seizure. Oh my god. Oh no.
I can't stop doing the floss. My brain. I'm trying out everything.
They're disrespecting us, Bungo.
We must show him some respect.
I can't stop doing it. Fuck. My brain can't compute.
Respect to you.
Respect. Bro's getting silly with it over there. Oh my god, he's fucking breakdancing.
I wish there was an easier way to just cancel this.
I agree.
Yeah, if you put it on hotbar, it is abusable. That's why they don't allow you to do it. We're almost synced up now, Bungo.
User left your channel.
Almost.
Just stroking it with the boys.
This guy's doing the U-hatch.
User left your channel.
I could use a Doug X condom right now.
Oh, yes. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
What is French bread? Someone just asked me that.
French bread is fucking bread that's French, you fucks.
User left your channel. User left your channel.
I'm hurting Mikey. I don't know if we'll be able to eat.
User joined
Sorry
your
if I'm out of
channel.
character, guys. I can't put music on at the same time.
Boo.
User
I know.
left your channel.
You bitch.
User
Yo,
joined your
bitch.
channel.
What's perspective? Bitch. Look what I missed too. It wasn't cool.
That looks all so wrong to my eyes.
The commitment.
That part came on.
Oh, finally, I'm level 10.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
User disconnected from your channel.
Oh, God.
Yeah, when's the tsunami? Anyone know?
Tsunami just happened. About 2 hours ago.
Is it every 6 hours or?
Yeah. Either that or 12, I forget. No,
It's
eight.
every 6.
Every 8. Or numbers. It's numbers.
It's numbers.
4 times a day, 6 hours.
Oh my god. You fucking, what the fuck are you drinking over there?
Water.
boys. I'll see you
Bullshit.
in the process, so everything go there.
Bullshit.
You, mister. No.
Bungo takes a lot out of the throat.
No.
Sounds like sounds something more like alcohol.
Nah. I got tall boys in the fridge.
No.
though.
No.
That's just how I feel. No.
Oh, come here, boy, I'm gonna ask you.
We should start hardcore.
You know I've been partying with my homie.
Back to reality, we pour, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Another casualty at war.
Fucking dude's talking about fucking dumbass.
User left your channel.
level up my gathering?
Channel 2. Yeah, it's Shift P. Control P. Dumbass.